this is the nurse again. I had a couple of requests from friends who also purchased the collagen 2 ionic colloidal silver generator, and I just wanted to give a little demonstration as to how to set it up so you can generate your own ICS at home. It's very simple. What you receive in your package from Pi Industries is your generator, so you want to be very careful with that. It's very lightweight. You'll receive a pump, kind of looks like an aquarium pump, that is referred to as the circulator. Your wall adapter, which will plug into the generator, and you will get a chamois or like a chamois cloth for cleaning the electrodes. So I'll show you how to do that. So first off, I have some deionized water, also known as distilled water. You can purchase it at Walgreens. I know has a brand called Nice, N-I-C-E. You can also get water from your Colligan or Eco Water. There's other places where you can test it, and it works really well. It's what it is. It's free of minerals, and it works great. So you don't want to use reverse osmosis water or tap water or anything like that. Only distilled pharmaceutical grade water. So I have my water. So first I'm going to open up my jug. And first thing that I do, it's the easiest, is to get my cords out of the way. I'm going to take my BPA-free tubing that is provided also in your kit. You do get an instruction manual. You're going to feed the tubing down the handle of the jug. You just want it to be toward the bottom so that it produces a good circulation of water. You can go ahead and plug that in. Next, you want to carefully place the tube between the two electrodes down into the jug of water, and it'll rest there. If it's a little uneven, it's okay, it's safe, it'll still generate properly. Next, I'll plug in the power adapter, and that plugs right into the end of the generator. Now you can see it's in standby mode. It's reading 0.01. That is not actively generating the ICS. You have to push the red start button. Right away it'll start to go up, and you want it to be below 1.0 because that means you have good water generating. The water is free from impurities, has a very minimal amount of other things in it so that it can generate properly. So go ahead and, like I said, it's just going to start generating right now. It takes about 4 to 5 hours, and you will get perfect 7 part per million ICS. It's the only machine of its kind that's accurate. You don't need anything else to measure it. It's great. It's bioavailable, and it gives you the perfect 7 part per million that you want. NASA actually uses the larger machines of these for radiation prevention, things of that nature. As a registered nurse, I've used it personally for H. pylori, H1N1 flu, a myriad of things that have helped me tremendously. Also helps great for acne. As an adult, you still get acne, but it's wonderful for cleaning everything. So I just set this and let it go, and it's great. So we'll just say that it's done, and go ahead and unplug everything. Remove the generator. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to clean. You get a little bit of residue, and that's fine. You don't ever want to use a paper product. You want to gently just rub this off while it's wet, and it comes right off. It's kind of like a sawmill. You know, you cut wood with an electric saw, and there's residue, there's sawdust. Same thing, it's not harmful, it's non-toxic. You can even rub that on an owie or a zit, or just wipe it off with your cloth and keep your electrodes clean. And then it won't, you know, look dirty, but it doesn't create any problems. So always use just a nice soft cloth, which is provided for you, and never use paper products. It's the only machine of its kind that uses a pure 1 troy ounce silver bar. Don't be fooled by others that use silver wire, use salt. This is the only machine of its kind. It's one of a kind in the world. I wouldn't be doing a YouTube video and expressing my own testimony if I wasn't an absolute believer. But it's awesome. You can make it anywhere, as I said on my other video. I made it in my dorm room, make it in your kitchen, make it in your RV, anywhere where you have an AV power source. It's amazing. So once again, it is the Colloidal 2. Amazing, amazing. It's the only one of its kind that produces the perfect 7 part per million ionic colloidal silver. You won't be disappointed. Very easy setup, easy to do. It'll generate thousands and thousands of gallons. So it's awesome. So thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and actually get this going again because I need some more. So thank you.